Yes. So now tell me, what is the parent table of this home loan?
Task table.
Task.
Task table, right? Correct. So if that is the case, I will open task table here. Give me a second. Task.form. Okay. And incident.form. See guys, if problem dot FORM. If you type FORM in capital letters, it will open in the new tab. If you type in the lowercase, that will open in the same tab. You need to. Okay.
Okay.
Change underscore request dot list. Sorry, not list means list view, form means form view, guys. Okay. Change underscore request dot form. Okay, please concentrate. So this is a task form. This is a home loan. I will take it last. It is already open. 62056, my instance number. Oh, it's not opening. Okay. Here first is task. Second is
Change.
yeah. So yes, task form, incident form, problem form, change form, and home loan. So now you tell me, for all these four tables, task is the parent table, correct? So
Yes.
if now my requirement is on the task form, where is my, okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Kumar.
Yes.
My screen, it's gone.
Yeah, Kumar.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No.
It's blank.
For
Now
me
it
also
is.
it's blank. That's what this 83489 also behaving weirdly. See, now it is white screen.
Yeah.
What happened to the Servicenow demos? I don't know. Okay, so here you can see on the task form. Let me pull the assignment group. This task section is in global application, but home loan is a current application. To edit this one, edit section. Group form. I will pick up here and save it. Okay, so this assignment group, if I click on task form, if I click on this assignment group, I should get all the groups. Secondly, on the incident form, on the incident change and problem, I should get all the groups, but other than HL. I don't want HL related groups on the incident change and problem. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So this HL related groups should only display in home loan application. This is my requirement. Got it?
Yes.
So I will go to see. Oh. So here whatever the HL related task table is there, home loan is there, right? So in the task table, I want all groups. in the incident problem change, not a HL. On the home loan, only HL. Did you understand my requirement?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. This is my requirement. So right now I am on task table. So as the task is the functionality, if you do something like that means on the incident also we have short description. Okay, not short description. Yes, configuration item is there. Or here assigned to is there. Assigned to is there on the task form. Assigned to is there on the incident, problem, change, home loan. Every no, every application is having assigned to. Okay. Now what is my requirement is I want to make this assigned to mandatory. So I will right click on this field on the task form and go to configure dictionary. See, it is going to task table, guys. If I open the configure dictionary, it is going to task table. And on the incident form, I will right click on the assigned to and configure dictionary. See, still it is going to task table. Again, on the home loan, if I right click and go to configure dictionary, where it will go, guys?
Task table.
Task table.
Correct? Because it is a child table of task. Yes, it is going to task table. Correct. Very good. Again, task form. Here. Incident dot form. Okay. Home loan. I don't know the home loan backend database name, but it's okay. Home loan. Create. So now you understand. Now you tell me, I will change I will make the home loan mandatory, sorry, assigned to mandatory on task form. Will it reflect on incident change problem and home loan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will show you. Right click on the field, go to configure dictionary. Okay.
And mandatory.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm mandatory checkbox. Mandatory check update. See, now assigned to is mandatory on the task form. I'll show you task.form. See, on the task form assigned to is mandatory. Now I'll go to incident form and reload it. See, assigned to is also mandatory. I will go to problem form and reload it. Again, it is mandatory. I'll go to change form. Yes, it is mandatory. On the home loan, yes, it is mandatory. You can see. Now, I will make this work notes mandatory on home loan. Guys, please concentrate. I will make this work notes mandatory on home loan. Will it reflect on incident change problem and task also?
No.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Any other answers? Visharad, Yarram, Hariprasad, Verma, Swati.
I think no.
Yes.
Yes. Only.
Verma, you are Sai Verma or only Verma?
Sai Verma.
Okay. Okay. So now, yes, because if you right click on the field and go to configure dictionary, it will go to task table only, right? So yes, whatever you do on the task table, again it will reflect on all the child tables, correct? So
Yes.
yes, so if you make any changes on the home loan change problem or incident, it will reflect on all the tables. Because when you go to configure dictionary, it will go to task table only, not the change incident or problem. Okay, that is first thing. Now I will remove this assigned to. Then on all the tables, assigned to will be, mandatory will get removed.
What if we like want only one table to reflect mandatory and not on others as well?
I didn't understand your question.
So for this home loan application, we made the assign to mandatory and I don't want the same thing.
Yeah, that is what we are doing now. That is what we are doing now. Okay, any functionality. Okay, any functionality. Just now I have told you about assignment group. I don't want HL related, right? Any functionality is the parent. Whenever there is a functionality on the parent table, please treat that as a original functionality. On the child table, if you have the same functionality, that means you have the parent functionality only. And on the child functionality, if you don't want that functionality, that means you have to override the functionality. Overriding will be done on the parent table so that child table will have its own functionality. That means, I'll show you. Same, again same. See, here task table, all groups is the original functionality. But here what I am doing on the incident problem and change, I don't want HL. That means I want the functionality other than the original functionality. So that means you have to override the child tables, correct? Understand, Shruti?
Yes.
And here also on the home loan, you want only home loan, not all the groups. So you have to override the functionality here, override the parent functionality. So that we will do. So keep this task table as it is because you are getting all the tables here. You are getting all the tables here. Correct. Whatever you want, it is already there. You don't need to do anything here. But you don't want that to be on the incident form. That means you don't want the HL related fields on HL related groups on the incident form. So what you will do, you will go to the right click on the field and go to configure dictionary. Concentrate, guys. Okay. See. Right click from the field, go to configure dictionary. Okay. So here you have a section called dictionary override. Here you have a section called dictionary override. Now, on which table I want to override, guys? On the incident.
Incident.
Correct. So incident table type, select incident table. See, on the incident table, I am opening, I have already one dictionary override is there. So what I wanted to do on the assigned to field, I wanted to do it, assigned to field. Okay. So what I'll do is, I will go like this. What are the fields I want actually? Other than HL, I want all the groups. So what I will do, I will go to user administration. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'll go to user administration groups. Here, what you have to filter other than HL you want. That means the name is not HL. Correct? So if you now actually with all the groups, how many groups you have? 49 groups. if you remove these 3, how many you will get? 46. Run. So 49, still you are getting 49, not equal to HL, but still you are getting all the groups. What is this nonsense? Name is not HL, correct only, no? Let me check. Still you are getting. Who is not? Okay. Does not contain HL. Let's see. Okay, now you got 46. Okay, so does not contain HL I have taken. So what you can do is right click on this. This is called breadcrumb, BREAD, crumb, CRUM, breadcrumb. Right click on this breadcrumb and actually this is called breadcrumb, not this one. Okay, this is called query. Copy query. Okay. Now go to assign to, just now we went to assign to, right click, go to configure dictionary, right? On the incident table, open this record. Open this record. Click here. So reference qualifier is already there. Don't touch it. Okay, reference qualifier only we have to touch. Close this and put it your name not like HL. Understand, guys? Save this record. Save that record. Now go to incident form, reload the form. Okay. Assignment group. Still you are getting HL related. Why? I don't understand. Yeah, give me a second. Let me check again. What is the problem? Assigned is correct, task is correct, table is correct.
Maybe we have to
Assign
refresh.
group we are trying.
Name not like HL, correct only, no? Reference qualifier.
Column name assigned to.
Ah, right. So what I'll do is I will copy, close this. Excellent, good catch. So I have to do it on assignment group, not on the assigned to, actually. Configure dictionary. Good catch. So dictionary overrides. Incident is there. Open this. Click here. Yeah. On the reference, override reference qualifier. Correct. Reference qualifier. Put it here. Saves. What do you mean by reference qualifier, guys? Do you have any idea? Yes or no? Tell me. I'm here to explain. No problem. Do you have any idea on reference qualifier or not?
Filtering the reference.
Correct. So if this is the reference field, qualifier, that means you are going to add whatever the fields you want, groups you want. See, say for example, I'll go to configure dictionary here on the task form. Okay, here I will go. You can see the reference specification. This is called reference qualifier. See, type is null or type is ITL. If the type of the group is ITL or null, then only display those groups. This is what they are explaining. Okay. If you remove this, all the groups will get displayed. On top of this reference qualifier, we are adding one dictionary override. Okay, so I'll show you. Don't worry. I'll show you what is reference qualifier in other way so that you'll be able to understand. Now I have added that reference qualifier. So if I go different dictionary override, now I will not get HL related groups. See, only 46 I am getting. So did we achieve the functionality what we want? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to home loan application. Yeah, this is home loan application. Now here what we want actually in the assignment group?
Only HL relate.
Only,
Correct. So right click on the assignment group, go to configure dictionary. Here also I am going to task table only, guys, because it is a parent field, parent function. So the reference specific, we are overriding this reference qualifier actually. So go to the dictionary override. Are you able to see the home loan table here? Yes, no, maybe.
no.
No? Okay. So what you can do is, guys, if you are not able to do it, go to this actually. You are in the global application, right? So change it to global. Home loan application to global. Then you will be able to change it. Now, task table, access control. Here I should have a new button actually. Here or here. Why it is behaving like this? Give me a second. Let me check. Configure list control. Ometer button is also not there. Metro button. Have you done anything? Whose instance is this?
No. Lakshmi's.
Yeah,
Not
Lakshmi.
myself.
Yeah, now it is here. Now we have, see, that's what it is behaving weirdly. Earlier, no button was not there. Okay, no problem. Anyhow, we got it. So click on new button. So table, on which table you wanted to have only HL related groups, guys? On which table?
Home loan.
Home loan
Home
table.
loan.
So
Home
select
loan.
the home loan here. Home. You are not getting the home loan table here. Correct? Why? Why you are not getting means you are in the global scope. That's the reason why you are not getting. Again, change it to your home loan scope. Home loan. Home loan scope, you are have to change. See, now table home loan you are getting. Correct?
Yes.
Now override the reference qualifier. What is the original reference qualifier here, guys? Type is null, type is ITA, or type is ITL is the original one. But here we are overriding it by putting this, not like HL. Sorry, not
Only HL.
so it is equal to HL now. So now what I'll do is I'll go to user administration groups. Yeah, here I will filter. Aim contains HL now. Contains HL hyphen. Run. I should get only 3 groups. Correct. So copy query, put it there. The home loan. Yeah. Put it here like HL and submit it. Okay. Now again I'll go to home loan. Home loan. Create new. See, guys, on the home assignment group, if I click on it, I should get only 3 groups.
Yes.
Or if I add 10 groups also, only HL related groups will get displayed. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now again we are going back to the task form. task.com. So this is a task form. Incident. I don't want this. I don't want this. Problem. Yeah. So incident problem I want here. Change underscore request dot. So this is problem. You can see on the task, I am getting all the fields including HL, all the groups including HL. are here. Okay. On the incident form, I am getting all the groups excluding HL, only
HL.
46. And on the problem, I am getting 42 groups because it has some, on the problem form, it has some other reference qualifier, it seems. So that's the reason why he has filtered some of groups. Okay. On the change form, we will check. Okay, all the groups we are getting. On the change request, we are getting HLC. So why we are getting HL, guys? Tell me.
We did it
We
for
haven't
assignment.
selected
What we haven't selected.
You haven't added reference.
qualifier.
We have not added dictionary override on the change form and the problem form. We have added only on the incident form, correct?
Yes.
So if you go to problem, if you want to do this on the change form, what you need to do? Go to assignment group, go to configure dictionary.
Dictionary.
Yeah.
And
Go to the bottom, dictionary
Say
override.
override.
On the see, no change form is there. So you can click on new. So here, if you want to change form, you will not get it. Again, you need to change from scoped application to global. Global.
Okay.
Here you will get change form, change underscore request. Here, reference qualifier. Add the reference qualifier and save it. Yeah. So now,
We gave,
Not like.
yeah.
oh, I'm sorry, yes. But it's okay, I'll change it, no worries. So as it is like incident form only, right? So you can open this incident one, copy it and put it there, no worries. Copy. Where is my change one? I'll put it here, no worries. Update. Now go to change underscore request dot form. See, if you click on assignment group now, how many groups I will get now?
All groups except HL.
Except HL, correct. No HL, H in the H, no HL is there. All groups you are getting. On the home loan, as we discussed, only HL related we are getting. This is called a dictionary override. Now, again, I want to show you the basic thing. I will go to caller. This caller is there. In this caller field, I want to get only, see if I go to user administration, here I will go. User administration users. I have about 625 users. I will take the department. Department. Click on OK. See, in the department table, I want only the department related to finance. Finance. See, finance, I have 35 people. If I go to incident form caller, I am getting 625 users here, I guess. Yeah, 625 users. But I don't want all those 620. I want only finance department user should be displayed. That is my requirement. So what I need to do? Again, go to users, select this one. Select the filter. Department name is finance. FRAR. FINANCE, finance. Run the. See, only 35 I'm getting. I will
Yes.
copy this query. I will copy this query. Or other thing what I can do is right click on the column, go to configure dictionary. Go to configure dictionary. See, in the reference specification, you can filter the records as per your requirement. So I will put a department because it is selected as reference user table only. On the user table, we have a department field is finance. See, I will select the finance here and save the record. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you go to incident form, yeah, now if you go to incident form, if you open the caller list, you will only get 35 records. See, 35. So that means you have added a reference qualifier here by adding department is equal to finance. This is called reference qualifier. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the second thing is on the home loan, somebody asked me, I don't want this, I don't want that, like that, right? So go to home loan and click on this edit application. Click on this edit application. Go to home loan again. Okay. Go to the bottom. Here you have modules. Okay. So active, whichever you want, if you don't want open the, make it false, active to false. Okay. Give me a second. Let me go there. Home loan. Yeah. So open is there. I want to deactivate this. Either you can deactivate it from here. Okay. So I will refresh now. I'll go to home loan. See, no open thing is there. Now I don't want open unassigned also. I can do it from here also, edit module. See, on the edit module, active is there. If you uncheck this box, update it. No, you will not get have open unassigned now. Refresh it. Home loan, yeah. Home loan. See, no open answer. This one we have deactivated, no? Yes, which one we have deactivated, guys?
Open unassigned.
Let me check because we have done inactive. Yeah, it is behaving weirdly, man. I think it is a bit slow today. We are checking very fast actually, but I don't. From here also we can do open unassigned. It is active to false. See, sometime back we have made open to false. It is not visible. We have made open unassigned also false, but it is visible. It is very strange behavior. So we will do it for closed also. Let us see how it behaves. Okay. Reload. Now see,
It is updated.
that means both are gone. That means our system is running slow today. Correct?
Yeah.
We are checking fast actually. So that's the reason why when I see again closed is loaded and assigned. is behaving a bit weird today, but it's okay. Please check on your sites or instances also and let me know if you have any questions in the next class. Okay, guys?
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Everybody. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that's what when I created the application, I asked you to wait for 2 minutes. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. So this is the reason actually. When you are dealing with the application and when the application is connected to different tables, it will take time. Understand?
Yes.
So try to practice it for today and come back to. Okay. So now I want to know that in which group you are, because if tomorrow